In this video by ABN Painting, we're applying Acryla Deck paint to a concrete pool deck, and this is the look of the deck before we started preparation work. We start by moving gravel a few inches away from the deck so we can paint all the edges. Pressure washing is next. We disperse TSP using a spray pump, and then with a broom that has medium softness bristles, we scrub the deck. After scrubbing, we rinse off the deck with a pressure washer. There are a few places around the edges of the pool where the concrete is chipping off, and it is on both sides of the pool deck. There are also a few minor cracks around the pool that we need to fix prior to painting. We scrape around the areas that are chipping off to make sure that we remove any loose material before the repair. We are using cement mix to repair the areas where the pieces of concrete are missing. We apply cement mix with a putty knife, and then using a wet sponge we blend it in. Hairline cracks on a pool deck we repaired using the same cement mix that we applied using disposable brush. With a wet sponge we removed any excessive material. Using orbital sander with a 40 grit sanding paper, we sanded all areas that were repaired. We rinsed off the pool deck one more time to get rid of any dust caused by repairs and sanding. Using 12-inch masking paper, we covered the tile and some of the concrete that is next to the pool deck. There are holes around this pool deck that are part of the draining system, and we covered them with tape to make sure they don't accidentally get filled with paint. After we're done with cleaning, masking and repairs, the pool deck now is ready for painting. We start with brushwork, painting all the edges first. After we're finished with brushwork, we're using the roller to paint the remaining area. After we're finished with the first coat of paint, we give it enough time to dry before applying the second coat. And this is the look of the pool deck after we finished.